I've led more than 16 international retreats, and even 4 in Costa Rica. And the level of support is beyond anything that I've encountered. Everybody knows the brief, and there's a sense of joy and anticipation of your needs by the staff. The workshops around how to hold yourself to a higher standard, how to stay inspired and genuine, and really learn how to spread the word, how to get your message out, how to invite people in to the experience. That is something that I've never gotten from any other retreat center, and I know the value of that is going to continue to unfold for me.